What's up, everybody? What's up, my peeps? Y'all can see I'm out in the streets. We in Dollar Tree. I came to get my grandson some fruit items for his birthday tomorrow. So yeah, don't look at my makeup because it's jacked. I'm gonna take this mess off and start over because it's like when you put makeup on in the dark, you don't know what you get until you get out in the light. And this ain't where it's at. So yeah. You see that trash can right there? I need one for the bathroom for the towels.
I want one.
To put the towels in.
I want one.
Can you give me one? How long is the lift gonna be here?
We
call us a lift up here. For those who don't know, a lift is just like Uber. Yeah. Y'all have to ignore the noise in the background. For one, Jamarian. You already know he in the background. Yeah, this makeup is jacked. The color okay, but I'm about to throw all my makeup away and start over. Move, Jamarian. So who all gotta get out of the streets today? Y'all gonna hear people in the background. My bad. But anyway, I'm just showing y'all I was in Dollar Tree and waiting on my lift, aka my cab, to get here so I can bounce on back to the house. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna get back with you. Oh, this is gonna be part of my water break. I don't know, we'll see. We in our lift, y'all. On the way to the house. Say hi, Jermaine.
Hey, I got me some balloons. I got emojis.
It's Jermaine's birthday.
I got emojis.
It's Jermaine's birthday, you guys. And he got emoji, balloon.
Awesome.
Hold it down. Hold it down like this, gentlemen.
I got it.
For the birthday's tomorrow. So you can see out the back window. Hold this right
I
here.
gotta go get my son some balloons.
Oh, yeah?
Today's birthday?
No, it's in August.
Okay.
But
I feel you.
We like to get everything set up first.
I know it.
But he wants to have his birthday at Jumping World. So.
I wanted to do that for him too.
But it's so expensive. Just to reserve a spot is like $400 or $500.
What?
Yeah.
I could look when I looked it up. They said that they had like you can go for like an hour. You can do it for like 1 hour at a time and pay like $20 an hour. And if you don't want to do that, you just
a package thing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so they got like if you want to do 1 hour, it's like $20, and then if you pay it by the hour, it's gonna cost more. If you just go on and spend the day pass,
yeah,
it'll be like double the money, but it's the whole day.
Yeah, it's like the whole day or however long they want to stay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Finally made it home, you guys. Come on. Don't worry about it, as long as I'm vlogging. Come on, Jermaine.
I know.
Bye, buddy.
You got everything? Your phone on the floor. Come on, this way, Jermaine. Come on, Jermaine. Beat me. Don't take too long when I'm coming around the car. So anyway, we on our way in.
Get off the phone.
Just
See you sitting on the couch next to you.
just making it back. I'm trying to vlog, guys. I'm not a good blogger yet because it's hard for me to hold this camera and walk and talk. Y'all know I have to wear this battery pack. Let me tell y'all something. Look at this mess. There go my door. And as I turn this camera around, look what they got in the middle of the apartments. Start over there. Get a good look. Did y'all see it? I'll show it to you. Just in case you didn't see it. The bayou. Like if that floods, it goes in my house. Like my door is here where I'm at. The bayou is there. So, like, really. Okay. I have made it in. I'm finna cut this off right now. Then I'll be back. Maybe with a water break. But if I don't, talk to you later, my peeps. Love you guys for joining me. Peace out. What's up, my peeps? It's your girl. Welcome back to Miss Miriam's world. Y'all see what time it is? It's water break time. It's water break time. It's water break time, you guys. Water is so good for the soul. It cleans out your body. Make sure you drink some water every day. Try to drink you 2 or 3 bottles. If not, at least drink 1 bottle. Like, get you some water on. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 at night. Really supposed to drink 8 of these a day, I believe. But if you can't drink 8, just go on and drink you 1 in the morning, 1 at night, 1 in the evening. Anything helps. Ooh, this water is so delicious. But anyway, you guys. So we had to go out today. I did a little vlog today. I'm thinking about adding it to this video. So I'm going to call this video water break / vlog. Water break / vlog. So be my first. Is it not gonna be my first vlog? I did a couple of vlogs when I was out at the doctor. But anyway, water break. Next time I go to the dollar store, I want to get me a little cute, fancy glass. They had some cute little dish sets. Like they had real glasses, plates, and stuff. They also had the plastic. Oh, I meant to get some silverware today. Why come when you go with some... I need... That's why I always like to take notes. Like, write me a little note down what I need, because I forget. So... Anyway, you guys, thanks for joining me to my water break. You know, I appreciate you. So, before you go, like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. Let everybody know what I'm doing. You know I love you each and every day. Thank you for watching. Peace out.